Everyone, welcome to Buena Vista National High School and welcome to Food and Beverage Services. Okay, so last week or ang week 1 natin before is yung diniscuss natin is about the take table reservation, how to take table reservation. Now for our week 2 for the FBS NC2, so our main topic for today is to familiarize and identify the different or the basic tools and equipment of a food and beverage services operation. So ano-ano nga ba yung mga basic na mga gagamitin natin for our FBS and C2 here in Buena Vista National High School. And as far as I know, the tools and equipment is a standard for all institutions and agencies na nag-o-offer ng FBS. So, let's go! Hello! Before that, hi sa mga estudyante ko ng Buena Vista National High School. Hello! Let's go! Okay, so these are the basic tools and equipment for the food and beverage services and C2. Here. See, as you can see, we have different forks, we have different knives and the spoons, and of course we have different cups. Okay, so we have flatwares, we have silverwares, and we have glasswares, and we have also the glasswares. Alright, okay, so let's start familiarize and identify the basic tools and equipment of FBS and C2. The first one, we have dessert fork. Again, we have a dessert fork. Next, we have the fish fork. Again, we have the fish fork. Next, we have the oyster fork. Again, we have the oyster fork. Again, we have the oyster fork. Next, we have salad fork. Again, we have the salad fork. Salad fork. Next is the salad knife. Again, we have the salad knife. Next, we have dessert spoon. Again, we have a dessert spoon. Next, we have a steak knife. Again, we have a steak knife. Next, we have a dinner knife. Again, we have a dinner knife. Next, we have a service spoon. Again, we have a service spoon. Next, we have a soup spoon. Next, again, we have a soup spoon. Again, we have soup spoon. Next in line is the cake server. Again, we have cake server. Cake server. Next, we have cocktail fork. Again, we have cocktail fork. Next is teaspoon. Again, we have teaspoon. Next is dinner fork. Again, we have dinner fork. Next, we have butter knife. Again, butter knife. Next in line is fish knife. Again, fish knife. Next, we have a soup bowl. Again, soup bowl. Next is the salad plate. Again, salad plate. Next, we have a side plate. Again, side plate. Next is the dinner plate. Again, dinner plate. Next, we have a show plate or service plate. Again, we have a show plate or service plate. Next is the fish plate. Again, fish plate. Fish plate. Next is the dessert plate. Again, dessert plate. Next is the cup and saucer. Again, cup and saucer. Next is the sugar and creamer pot. Again, sugar and creamer pot. Next is the soup tureen. Again, soup tureen. Next, we have a teapot. Again, we have a teapot. Next, we have coffee pot. Again, we have coffee pot. Next, we have water pitcher. Again, water pitcher. Next, we have soup ladle. Again, soup ladle. Next, we have sauce ladle. Again, sauce ladle. That is a soup, sauce ladle, sauce ladle. Next is the food cover or the plate cover. Again, food cover or the plate cover. Next, we have toothpick holder. Again, toothpick holder. Next, we have food tong. Again, food tong. Next is the tissue holder. Again, tissue holder. Next is the water goblet or the water glass. Again, water goblet or water glass. Next is the soup bowl large. Again, we have a soup bowl large. Next, we have a pepper meal. Again, pepper meal. Again, that is pepper meal. Next, we have salt and pepper shaker. Again, salt and pepper shaker. Next, we have ice bucket with tong. Again, ice bucket with tong. Next, we have a silver platter. Again, silver platter. Next, we have round bar tray. Again, round bar tray. Next, we have a service tray. Again, service tray. Okay, yun yung mga tools or basic tools and equipment for FBS. Siyempre, andun din yung mga tablecloth, yung mga table napkin, and of course, the standard size of table. And what else? Na-mention ko ng table napkin, no? So, we have also stand service tray. Meron din tayo. Yun. Of course, tablecloth for skirting. Meron din tayo. Okay? So, yan lamang yung mga basic na gagamitin for the FBS NC2. Yun. Ayun. So, maraming salamat. Thank you so much for watching the video in identifying and familiarizing the basic tools and equipment for FBS NC2. Okay? So, may mga hindi ko na ipakita diyan yung mga table cloth for skirting, we have side towel, we have table napkin, we have service stand tray. So, kasi hindi pa dumating pero parating na order na eh. Okay? So, parang ihahabol siya. But, halos lahat naman na ipakita ko na yung mga basic na gagamitin for FBS NC2. Okay? So sana marami kayong nali-learned for our week 2. Yung week 2 actually dalawa yung topic, pero ang mas pinaka-importante doon is yung identifying and familiarizing the basic tools and equipment for the FBS NC2. Okay? So, thank you so much. Bye-bye!